everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. As you guys know, I've moved to Surrey and that means I've got a new house and a new room, and I've decorated it a little bit in the Siri fashion, so you know, cute, girly, pink, but I want to take it one step further and do a bit of vegan DIY. So we're gonna make this room a little bit more cute, a little bit more girly as well, and yeah, gonna just have a good day today. Today's DIY is just going to be focused on turning this boring standard mirror into something that's definitely Instagram worthy. So I had a lot of plans to beautify my room and do a whole bedroom makeover, but I'm still waiting for a few pieces to arrive, and this mirror took pretty much the whole day. So that's all you're going to be seeing in this episode, but there's definitely more to come. I wanted to take you through what I bought and why I bought it, and why this is a vegan interior design or vegan room decoration tutorial. So I'm going to start with the vegan paint. I just opened the door because Spencer wanted to come in, but yeah, talking about vegan paint. So this is the one I got. A lot of vegan paints is also eco-friendly as well, so there's something called VOC in most like normal paints, and that's called volatile organic compound, and that actually releases harmful chemicals into the air, which is like bad for you to breathe in, and it's bad for the environment as well, and it's actually proven to be carcinogenic, which means it causes cancer. So yes, not very good. Vegan paint just means it's made of all natural ingredients, it doesn't have any animal products in it, and it won't have been tested on animals either. If companies are using chemicals in their products, most likely they will be testing on animals. Probably just boycotting the company and going for a completely eco-friendly company is the way to go when you're looking for paints. This is not a sponsored video at all. This is just me living my vegan life and, you know, hoping to shed some light onto the world. Next, I've gone for some eco-friendly paint brushes, and this is all made of bamboo. So that in itself is so much better for the environment because it's a natural plant-based product. A lot of paintbrushes and paint materials are made out of plastic, so you're avoiding all of that nasty stuff. It's made out of recycled synthetic material, and it's a recycled natural bristle as well, so you know, it says, you know, you can use it for a lifetime, so yeah, it was a good investment anyway. Next on my list is the flowers that I bought. In terms of artificial flowers, I didn't realise this, but you have to double check whether it's made out of silk or not. So sometimes it's really misleading because it'll say artificial silk flower. So you think it's made out of artificial silk, or you know, that's the sort of interpretation you get, but it's actually an artificial flower made out of silk cloth. And if people don't know, silk isn't actually vegan friendly because it comes from silkworms, and obviously that's an animal product, so as a vegan you should be abstaining from silk. I had to really hunt all over Amazon to find vegan flowers, and then finally I came across this brand who had so many different really nice colours, and it's actually made out of an eco-friendly latex foam. So yeah, perfect. And I'm actually going to be using the boxes that they came in as a sort of like cover for my painting area so I don't ruin my furniture. That's pretty much it for what I'm going to be using today. So yeah, I'm just gonna crack on now and see how it goes. I've never sort of done like a DIY crafts project before, so yeah, fingers crossed it goes well. Yeah, let's get going. I don't know if I was supposed to have removed this brown tape, but it was ugly and it was getting in the way of my vision, so it was gone. just took a quick break for lunch and I've left this to dry whilst, you know, whilst I've been away, and it seems to have dried like quite well as well. One thing I did realise is I forgot to buy masking tape. So this whole situation has been very precarious. I've had to be much more careful than I imagined. But we've been fine. Anytime I've got it on the mirror, I've just wiped it off. So yeah, so far so good. But I think I'm gonna try and use real sellotape. My camera died, so I didn't get to film most of the painting. But yeah, this is kind of as good as it's gonna get, I think. It's still drying, and this is my sellotape fix. And obviously, like, it's not the neatest thing in the world, but I think it'll be fine because it'll be covered with the flowers, so yeah, it'll all be good. So whilst the paint on the mirror is drying, I think I'm gonna make my flower design. So I think what I'm gonna do is just like do a literal basic like alternate of the different colours.
A few inches later.
Okay, so this is the finished vine. It is, I think, 6 foot tall, which is why I can't really show you all of it. Let me try and fix that actually. I don't know why, I'm scared of the glue gun. Because I've never used it before. I mean, what does this do? Oh, okay, that's just a stand. Okay, so I'm guessing we just put in the glue and then plug it in. So I'm making a bit of a mess. So I've fully painted the mirror now, so I'm going to leave that to dry. I think I'm going to start gluing this flower vine. I'm going to start gluing it together, just so it's like fully secure, but then I'm going to glue it onto this after it's fully dry. But that's the plan.
Two hours later.